Hello friends, today I will teach you how to make stockpile report or stockpile calculation in Trimble Business Center. Okay, as you can see, this is the Trimble Business Center. Okay, now I have a file, DWG file. I have to import this file in Trimble Business Center. This is my file, DWG file. I have to import. Now I am importing like this to drag it. As you can see, the file is importing. Okay, this is my stockpile. I have some points here. Now I have to make the surface first to calculate the volume. Now in the file menu bar, I have to choose surface, then create surface. Give a name of a surface, suppose stockpile A. This is the name of the stockpile I have given to this stockpile. Now classify the surface classification. I mainly choose original. Okay, then choose the color as you want. I choose brown or clay or something, anything. I choose magenta. Then select the members of the surface. I select all of them. Select all. Okay, as you can see, it has been selected. Then press OK. Now see, this is a stockpile or surface has been made. Now see in the 3D. As you can see, this is a stockpile. In 3D view. Okay, now as you can see in this portion, if I see in the 3D, this portion is extra. Okay, I need to trim this as the calculated volume will come through this calculation also. Okay, so I have to trim this area. Okay, now what should I do? I will go to the plane view, then go to the surface menu, then go to the trim function, trim surface edge. I will select the extra area. This is the extra also. This as you can see, the extra area has been trimmed. So now see the 3D view of this stockpile. As you can see, the unwanted area has been trimmed. So I need to calculate this thing now. What is the stockpile report? Now going to the work report, I have three types of options. Today I will share only the first option, stockpile and depression. What is stockpile and depression? I will not given any kind of ground value. Through this it will be calculated. I will just want to see the stockpile depression. What is the shape of the stockpile as per the ground? See, this is the ground points I have surveyed. So as per this I will get the result. If I give the elevation, it will take a constant elevation from where it will calculate. Okay, the next lesson I will teach you in next video, that one. And another option is here, surface to surface, that I will teach you in the next later. Okay, now I have to click on OK. All our things are okay, but you should remember you should not take any kind of selected objects in here. I have 0, then I have to go for the next procedure, which is OK. So here I have the result. I have the stockpile volume is approximate in this number. Okay, so it will give me the stockpile area also. Total area is this and the total volume is this. Okay, so I hope you understand today's lecture or today's lesson. Please keep like, share and subscribe. Okay, thank you so much.